Hello, Rock Prairie kindergartners. This week in social studies, we are going to talk about technology. I want you to think about all the different ways that you use technology. After this lesson, you're going to draw a picture of yourself using some kind of technology. Then you're going to write a sentence about what type of technology you're using and what problem it helps you solve or what it helps you do. Right now, I'm going to read to you a story about a little girl who is trying to have an ice cream party. And she's trying to figure out all the different ways that she can get a hold of her friends using technology. The title of this story is called Operation Ice Cream, and the author is Ray Lankford. Thanks to technology, it's so easy to communicate with your friends. You could decide to have an ice cream party and in seconds get in touch with everyone you know. Technology is the use of science or engineering to create useful things. When you communicate, you're telling someone something. You could connect with friends using a computer. If you have a cell phone, you can use its texting technology to type out a message. I bet you've seen your parents send a text message to someone, or you maybe have even sent a text message to someone yourself. Or you can use an old-fashioned innovation such as a rotary telephone to call your friends and ask them to come over. Here's the little girl and she's using a phone that's connected to the wall. Ask your parents if they've ever used a phone like that. But suppose the power went out and you couldn't use a computer or a cell phone. And suppose your dog was hogging the rotary telephone. Without motory technology or modern technology, how could you get the information about your ice cream party to your friends? What else could you do? You could make an invitation to invite everyone over. You might draw a simple picture to show what you're trying to say. A picture is a great way to communicate because even kids who can't read can understand it. But the best way to tell your friends about your ice cream party is face to face. Whatever method you use to communicate, be sure you tell the whole gang that it's time for a yummy ice cream party. So now that you've listened to the story, I'm going to give you a little quiz about technology. When you tell someone something, you communicate, tattle, or talk. Which one? That's right, you're communicating. When you want to know more about a topic that you like, you are looking for information, themes, or books. If you picked information, kiss your brain. When someone comes up with a new idea or a new way to do something better, we call this, is it communication, innovation, or connection? If you picked innovation, you're correct. When we use science or engineering to create useful things, we are using debris, technology, or knowledge. That's right, technology is the correct answer. And here's the last one. When you talk with someone over the internet, on the phone, or in person, you are getting together with them. What's another word for this? Connect, build, or train? If you picked connect, you got the right answer. Okay, boys and girls. Now, for your assignment this week for social studies, you're going to draw a picture of yourself using some kind of technology during this time of at-home learning. Then you're going to write a sentence telling what technology you're using and what problem it helps you solve or what it helps you do. Your mommy and daddy can click on a sheet at home and print it out, or you can just draw and write on your own paper. Remember, technology isn't just computers, iPads, and cell phones. Books, pens, scissors, and anything else that makes a job easier are technology too. So don't forget to turn in your homework to your teacher. Have a great rest of the week.